Hi, my name is Elias and I'm a second-year graphic design major here at RIT. Today we'll be talking about why I chose to become a graphic design major and also why I chose RIT. The reason I chose to become a graphic design major is because of a lifelong passion for all things design. As a kid, I loved to draw, and I was fascinated by the designs of different magazine covers, video game covers, and advertisements. So I would redesign them using colored pencils. It was then that I discovered how much fun I found designing. And basically ever since then, I've known I've only wanted to do one thing for the rest of my life: graphic design. My high school only offered one graphic design class, and I took it the first semester of my first year. I absolutely loved the class. What I didn't realize is that it would be another 4 years before I would be able to taste the sweet nectar of a graphic design class again. Having had that experience, I knew I wanted to go to a college where I wouldn't run out of creative opportunities, and I felt that RIT was perfect for me. One thing that stood out to me was how career-focused RIT is. Seeing RIT statistics about how high the percentage of students who had a job offer lined up for after they graduate was amazing. I also looked at current student and alumni work and I was blown away. One thing I had considered while looking at different college options was attending a quote-unquote art school, which would have been a much smaller student population, a smaller campus, as well as fewer clubs, sports, etc., which were all things that turned me away from attending an art school. RIT's design program, however, had a lot of the things that I would have wanted to go to an art school for, such as a small student-to-faculty ratio and a diverse electives list. RIT campus also greatly appealed to me. I love the brick style and how the entire campus easily connects. The more I looked at it, the more I felt that RIT suited me. And that's what made me choose to become a graphic design major at RIT. My expectations have seriously only been exceeded here, and I'm so glad that I've decided to become a Tiger. I hope this video was informative to you. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and go Tigers.